If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and help me meet my goal.
Troublemakers. Those are two troublemakers. Come over in my chicken yard and disturb my guineas and my chickens. That's why mine's hollering. Those two guineas are wild. Mine are tame. Tame compared to them. See, mine just hang out down here with the chickens, and I can walk down here and see they act right. I run them off. Y'all need to calm down. They're gonna go down in the woods and hide. Y'all gonna go hide in the woods? I was walking Brindley and didn't know what in the world was going on over here. This is the chicken pen in the wooded part. They're safe from the air predators in here. They're so funny. Oh, goodness. Y'all are funny. Y'all are funny. Taking off. Taking off. And Mother Guinea's on the other side of the fence over there. Well, y'all be blessed. And don't forget to say your prayers. These troublemakers. The troublemakers are back. That bad dog. Look at that bad dog. Y'all, she wanted to chase him guineas so bad she don't know what to do. Bunch of troublemakers. There's never a dull moment around my house, y'all. Never a dull moment. Me and Brindley sitting on the porch trying to drink some spiced tea, enjoying the sunshine. I guess they're gonna get behind the railing and not come back out. Look at Brindley, boy, she wants them. Get them, Brindley. Get them, Brindley. Get them. Get them, Brindley. Get them. Get them guineas. Get them guineas. Get them guineas. Oh boy, she's a big dog. She's a big bad yard dog. She's the porch dog. She's the porch dog. She said, y'all can't hang with me on my porch. Y'all, they hollering. Look, there she goes. There she goes. They hollering, and then my guineas is around here, and then they hollering. Look. Well, Brindley run them off. They was right there. She running back and forth. Poor Brindley, she don't know which way to go. There they go, y'all. I love the way they run. There they go. Oh, mine's come back over here. I hear them back there. Okay, y'all. We'll be back with another one.
We'll be back with another one soon, I'm sure. They are busy today.